Good job, nigger.
Yeah, chrome, I'm shining. This shit, vigor is the way to like burn. But this shit, mecha kakui, like, isn't it? Yes, it's chrome shades, chrome jacket, and a chrome whip that I just sold to my partner. Just dipped in this bitch, and I'ma try to spin the niggas ready acting jelly. We come stomping, this the sequel. Had a nigga water off like a goddamn peg. When you ain't no Jalen Waddle, you ain't got no speed. I get to up here like I'm chasing man and cutting off his knees. Off-white belt on my hip, put so hard this motherfucking squeeze. I had to cut that shit for a sec, I couldn't motherfucking breathe. If my baby asking for it, I'ma go and get it. Best believe, saw 3, bought 3, and them shits is all clean. And my rating so high, I could start on any ball team. Putting up numbers and four, got Jimmy Fredette in my DNA. Yeah, chrome, I'm shining. This shit, vigor is the way to like burn. But this shit, mecha kakui, like, isn't it? Yes, it's chrome shades, chrome jacket, and a chrome whip that I just sold to my part. That's why I step in $1,200 transformer product. I'm about to do say what you might have, drop it down for your partner, baby. Get you anything you really want, the chrome hard. Brand new beam, push start, baby. I ain't trading water, I'm moving this beast like a shark, baby. Ain't no reason to be tripping, the app will tell you where you park. Full always want some problems, dog shit, getting squashed. She ain't touching by my whip, even I leave the keys up inside the car. Can guarantee there's screams that we taking that boy life, but I tell you right here, he at least even with a scar. Pussy boy wants some breasts on his chest, it's like he gold dust. I throw him off of the top rope, like it's the Royal Rumble. All that bitching in the way of the money, get his ass gone. And boy, I did it so slick, had him thought I'm raising Ramon. One shot from my blast, so his water's wet and that boy's gone. He ain't making no moves, he at home with the kids. I'm shining. This shit, vigor is the way to like burn. But this shit, mecha kakui, like, isn't it? Yes, it's chrome shades, chrome jacket, and a chrome whip that I just sold to my partner. Now what I go buy for mama, she will put up for me and never hesitate to drop a dollar. If it's up for a cause, then my mama a buy a starter. Anyone try stopping the most, you gon' be stuck in the garage in the corner with all the spiders. Shout out Parker, we cooking up, raising the fire high. I go smoking the stoop, start to spitting, don't need a lie. Puff, spit, what it do? Shake hands, let him buy. Only need an Arnold Palmer, I don't need no alcohol, I'm ready high. I'm shining. This shit, vigor is the way to like burn. But this shit, mecha kakui, like, isn't it? Yes, it's chrome shades, chrome jacket, and a chrome whip that I just sold to my partner. I'm shining. This shit, vigor is the way to like burn. But this shit, mecha kakui, like, isn't it? Yes, it's chrome shades, chrome jacket, and a chrome whip that I just sold to my partner.
You see? Yeah. 6 second lift off, we all gon' tee up. Stars up on the roof, dream, she hold down when needed. I need a round to go on if I'm honest. We peep the stars together, thought about regardless. No matter what we going through, we see it farther past that. Moving forward, we gotta go harder. Like hoping be up on some star shit. Girl, you make me offset. All that I was plotting, I ain't finna throw blame to you. That's just what it costed. Got expensive taste, but I'm talking hard. Spending time investments really special, and then time will be all. And if it's short, and hopefully be happy with what played out when it's all finished. Buckle up, she know the plan. We gon' take up all the business. Bonnie and Clyde need all the cash. We playin' this without the limit. Can you do this without? Can you do this without the bitches? Shawty like she ready tap. I know that she down to get it. Bad thoughts out of side, bad thoughts out of mind. You know it's really them times now. It's really them times showing. We switching up times on back and forth there. Where we going? She said, ain't you noticed nothing fakes me? Still it's for you only. I need a round to go on if I'm honest. We peep the stars together, thought about regardless. No matter what we going through, we see it farther past that. Moving forward, we gotta go harder. Like hoping be up on some star shit. Girl, you make me offset. All that I was plotting, I ain't finna throw blame to you. That's just what it costed. And I got no doubts that you gon' be here when it's all finished. She wanna live like tropical, I'm gon' bring her to it in. Won't be philosophical with this bitch, I speak just when I plan it. Grab the most, I'm like every planet. I'm the king of shutting, bitch, action friend. I'm your mother's lover, but it action memory. Resilient, nigga, just like Sammy. I won't lead to the tankers on empty. Load up, you can see me shine. So my shot up, bitch, and flow the money like it's autopilot. I'll call her for the tenant, till the chrome wrap on the body. It's like anywhere I look up on the whip, I can still see shawty.
surface under me, I'm spinning. No surface under me, I'm spinning.
And I start to rise. And I start to rise.
But I take out to the sky. No surface under me, I'm spinning. I'm spinning. I ain't wanna take our time, let us soak that in. We gon' have a good time in the end. RP to Chester Bennington. I pray all y'all's battles end up got you winning. I know we gon' make it, baby. I just got a feeling it's gon' be fulfilling. Something to be proud of, and me want me a million with it. Half the deal, forget it. See, I can't take no less, so get it right's what I suggest. Oh boy, it's a problem. It's a problem when I'm in my bag. So I got your attention. Suspense is bad again, and I ain't plan on putting my heart through more. So it was no other choice that I had wrote. Shit, I'm barely staying afloat now, but I got plans on having this game by its damn throat. Ayy, and we gon' fix the bullshit, and I'm not making jokes, baby. I'ma do it natural while y'all brainwash these folks. Like everybody, nice to meet ya. Bet ya one time we spoke. I'm the shoulder you can lean on at the end of your ropes. No judge, no harm, like I'm your boy. Just keep respect, that's for sure. Then it told, especially turn into a special kind of connection here for us. Just don't blow it. No surface under me, I'm spinning. They ain't got no understanding. I'm gonna be on my command. Baby, I am not commanding, cause I am not in Washington. No surface under me, I'm spinning. Cause ain't nobody hold me, I don't need to. No surface under me, I'm spinning. I ain't even shocked right as of now. Bye-bye. But I take off in the sky, in the sky. Trying to get by in the 6 years that I've been trying. On the 7, so I know that luck is mine. And I know I'ma find it time while I'm spinning, then just start flying. Been on some fast life shit, sleep the only time I recover. Feel past my half like been second wind is taking me over. We in the soft fog, but still on the go past the 100. I'm tryna be like 08 Hardy, bitch, bigger than Obama. I'm finna ride, get rich. Okay. It takes a risk to reach a big homie. I ain't never been scared to make a reach for it. I know some ballers that ain't never quit. Yeah, the fuck you think inspires me truly. I never needed understanding, and I never needed drama. Learn from a bad motherfucker, yeah. I see you got some things of you that I want. Well, I see you laying on the bed, shorty. It's section off a VIP on it. Ay, I toast to shorty, glad we crossed paths. Yeah, we live it liver than the bitch shows. There's so much going on night and day, they talk on me. Boys, it cancels out because the bitch you bring to me. Holy, holy, holy. And we gon' keep it going, we gon' keep it going. Yeah, for as long as it goes. See how far have we come. Gotta brace yourself, can't be wrong up in a day. So fast it feels, I'm flying away. Intercontinental souls, leave my mark everywhere I go. Tryna reach my peak, kinda lost my mind. About a couple damn times, about a couple times over. I'm tryna be like O-A-R-D, bitch, meaning bigger than glass shatter, you know I'm finna whoop your ass, boy. Treading wrong, even treading. I remember that dumb bitch cop told me I ain't use it correctly. Fast forward to the Bentley, that bitch pulled over my driver. Window down from the backseat, your ass finna get fired. Holla with a hint to classy. Boss who he told me back. See, I use a big word type nasty. As we speed off, we move on. You see my tan suit, dog, give me a drop. I'm tryna be bigger than a boss. Tryna reach my peak, kinda lost my mind. About a couple damn times, about a couple times over. I'm tryna be like O.A. Hardy, meaning bigger than Obama.
Gave up a bunch of me some money. Told him, yo, gaen, oh, gaen. Shoruya no some. Chikan hara eta. Moto, kane. Means the money, pink money. Means the money, pink money. Means the money, pink money. Nane warateo. He the one who looking for it. Proud of I get it. Put that shit on like AB. Everybody meet her, and that's just right here, bitch. Hare de soto, es que tu estés cheeky. That's a bet, you can check. With the product built on, live life no regrets. Keep it motherfucking fresh. So SK to the death, only way to stick to that. That's a bet, that's a check. Special kind on me, special kind my hoodie and my time. Yes, my presence on my trap, turn this shit to Bonnaroo. Couldn't get it out. Lavi son is preaching out the two. Cheetah and Kasumi, this that shit they feel up in the air. Boku mi take the sign, Daisa no men, haiku shite. Kekaku na, gave up a bunch of me some money. Told him, yo, gaen, oh, gaen. Shoruya no some. Chikan hara eta. Moto, kane. Means the money, pink money. Means the money, pink money. Means the money, pink money. Nane warateo. He the one who looking for it. Gave up a bunch of me some money. Told him, yo, gaen, oh, gaen. Shoruya no some. Chikan hara eta. Moto, kane. Means the money, pink money. Means the money, pink money. Means the money, pink money. Nane warateo. He the one who looking for it. Know that I wanna try again. Catch me up in a suit so slick, go ask Junior. Ain't nobody else more professional. Actually, I might lose that. I'm like a fucking bet. I'm up at night right now. Daytime I be taking naps. Of course, and in out my shifts, they make my days go flash. Feel like potential wasted sometimes if it isn't rap. Experiences blowing my mind. I ain't even think to capture. Up on this mic, mindset that symbolize this chapter. Fuck. Button after button, I put it together, yeah. We should be together, yeah. You see me, my suit and tie. Is it somewhere I linger up in your mind? You see signs of me. Just go blind for me, slacks in the loafers. Comfy like a sofa. You say you won't recline on me. Play with the buttons, try to crank out a different motion. I witness and feel what you said that you've been trying to show me. These full circle moments hit the hardest, speaking in terms of my favorite moments. Technically, you beg for the moment. So let's see how you weather the storms. Let's see if we what we wanted. It's up when we forward type shit. We up when we forget. We ain't letting this shit down. I done learned from all of my poor efforts. So now I know I'm sure as ever. I'm laser locked in my focus. Can't give up no secret from them. My love for you feelings from talking, touching
flexing on every coroner. To each other foreigners, but just learning as we go. My mind's running proper stroke, but I ain't getting my suit dirty off. That's been have to go. Did up with your dress, my bitch in the way of your perfect soul. I'm about ready, let's go pilot real shit. Respect mama, unpack it button after button until it all spills out. Like you guessed it correct, how did you figure this shit out? Well, I guess you seen who's a spouse. Now we out. Step, 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 gone.